Welcome. If you're using Telegram web on your PC and want to learn how to reply quickly to messages, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a super easy process that will help you stay on top of your conversations and respond faster. First, go ahead and open Telegram web on your PC. If you're logged in already, you'll see your active chats. Once you're in, find the chat viewer that contains the message you want to reply to. It's easy to scroll through your conversations until you locate the message that you need to respond to. Now, here comes the key step. Right-click on the message you want to reply to. This will bring up a few options that make it easy to respond directly to that specific message. Next, go ahead and click on Reply from the options that pop up. This will automatically quote the message you're replying to, so everyone will know exactly what you're responding to. After that, it's time to write your reply. Simply type in the text box below, and when you're ready, just hit Send to send your reply. That's all there is to it. And that's how you can reply to messages quickly on Telegram web. It's simple and ensures that your conversations stay organized. If this helped, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share for more tips on using Telegram.